Hey business owners, do you wish you had more time in your day? Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a simple time blocking method to create more time and more space in your day. Everyone is responsible for their own time. I call that time ownership. And we can't blame the necessity of not having enough time on anyone else, whether it's your employees or your friends or your partner or your kids even. You are responsible for your own time, and this is something that I really stress with my business owners. A big thing around understanding how to utilize your time better or use your time to your best advantage is understanding where your priorities lie, and this is the beginning of my time blocking method. By prioritizing what's most important in our day or our week, we want to be able to spend more time doing that than doing smaller tasks that aren't as important. So the question we need to ask ourselves is this: what matters most to us right now in our business? I need you to ask yourself that question. What matters most to you in your business right now? Is it sales? Is it marketing? Is it understanding the finances? Is it doing quotes? Is it doing invoicing? It's really up to you, but you need to understand what is most important, because once you've understood that, that becomes the priority for the next step in my time blocking method. Once we've prioritized what's most important, I want you to take a blank calendar, and what I want you to do is map those priorities or block those priorities out in your calendar. In this example, the most important task for us on a Monday is invoicing, and we're going to do that between 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. So between 2 and 4, we put in a block there that says invoicing. Now, that's a priority and that matters most to us on that specific day. So we're not going to make sure that we do anything else during that time. If the phone rings, it doesn't matter. If someone wants a quote, we'll have to do it later. We'll do it on Tuesday. If someone needs more of our time, we're going to have to say, hey, look, I'm available after 4, or I'm available on Tuesday and onwards. Putting your most important thing or prioritizing your most important task and putting it in your calendar first empowers you to get that task done and get it wiped out for the week. The great speaker Jim Rohn once said, do not start your week until it is finished. What he actually means is don't start your week until it is all planned out. By using this time blocking technique, you're actually able to block in what's most important first and let everything else fall around the outside. In this example that we just spoke about, you can actually map your priorities throughout your whole week. So there might be invoicing and doing quotes and perhaps sales meetings or presenting quotes or maybe even having sales conversations. Maybe it's team meetings. Put all those important things in first. If they're the things that are most important for you, map them into your calendar first or block them out, as I say to my clients. Then all the other important stuff, or the sand as I call it, will generally fill in the gaps around the outside. By putting the most important things into your calendar first, by time blocking those blocks out, you're going to take more control of your calendar, and I know that you're going to get more done. If you enjoyed this video and you want some more great content to help you grow your business, then head to our YouTube channel, the Upcoach Business Growth Programs channel. Please subscribe to that for fresh daily content that will really help you to move things along, or follow us on any of our other social platforms.